Let's do our first example of taking a derivative of a vector function. As we saw in the previous video, that taking derivatives of vector functions can be done by taking the derivative of each component. So here we have r of t is ti plus t squared j plus t cubed k. And so the derivative will be the vector obtained by taking the derivative of each component. So the first component derivative with respect to t is just 1, so this will be 1i. The second component derivative will be 2t, so this is 2tj. And the third one will be 3t squared, so we have 3t squared k. Now, let's think about what this means. I've drawn the curve when t is greater than or equal to 0. It is a cubic function that kind of wraps around or it goes up through a parabolic cylinder, and the derivative at any point, for any value of t, will give us the direction of the curve, tangent vector at point t, and it also tells us the direction. Now, this vector, 1, 2t, 3t squared, for any value of t, also gives us the direction vector of the tangent line at t. So that will be useful when we want to write tangent lines at a specific point, because the derivative gives us the direction vector that we need to write the equation of a line given a specific point.